Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to use the maintenance mode on your TV or how to activate the maintenance mode. Now maintenance mode is used in cases where you want to place your TV in a maintenance mode. These features are in Samsung TVs. You can find it as well on your Samsung phone. In case you're going to send in your device for repair, you can place your device in a limited mode to protect your privacy. It allows on the TV for you to back up your device as well as to just place it in that mode that will help you out. All right. So of course you're gonna get your remote. This is the Samsung Tizen OS that's on this TV. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna navigate over. Once I navigate over, I'm gonna move down to settings. Once I'm on settings, guys, I'm gonna move to all settings and I'm gonna move over to support. Seeing that support feature would be the maintenance mode. All right. So we're gonna select support. Select support, and of course right here you'll know it will show you a bunch of stuff, and there you go, maintenance mode. And it says if you request a repair due to a problem with the product, you can hide your information. So of course you have customized this, including your Wi-Fi and all kind of stuff that's personal to you, that's on your device, pictures, you name it. So you can go to maintenance mode, and of course it will guide you through the process here. Simply read. If you have a drive connected, you can do backup your data. So just in case the repair process destroys your data, later on you can use the restore data feature to restore your information back to the TV. And of course, you can hit start and it will guide you through the process. All right, so that's how to find and use the maintenance mode in case you want to do that to your device. You may want to connect up flash drive to do the backup, and then you hit the start mode and it will place your device in that special mode. So of course, the repair, anybody that's repairing your TV will not have access to your personal information or your personal data. Do hope this was helpful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Same bye until next time. Bye.